Robert allora in corsia 1, Andrea Zausa in 2, Alex Berti in corsia 3, in 4 Thomas Venturini, Davide Gobbo in 5, Matteo Magro in 6, Davide Donatelli in 7, Cristian Fantinato in 8.
I don't know just how it happened. I let down my guard. Swore I'd never fall in love again, but I fell hard. Guess I should have seen it coming. Caught me by surprise. Wasn't looking where I was going. I fell into your eyes. You came into my crazy world like a cool and cleansing rain. Before I knew what it
55 e 35 intanto Federico Baggio conquista questa batteria.